If your tension rod keeps falling down, or your cafe curtains never look perfectly straight, you're probably adjusting it the wrong way. Today, I'll show you exactly how to adjust your oval tension rod so it stays secure and safe for your window frame and looks professionally installed. This video is part of our renter-friendly window treatment series, where we share no-drill solutions and real installation tips from our workroom. If you enjoy clean, simple home solutions, tap like. It helps us share more professional tips that make your ordering and installation process more seamless.
We recommend doing this before ordering. Measure the inside width of your window to determine the variation of the rod you are planning to order. Please note the rod is adjustable to your window size, and we will show you how to do it in this short and helpful video. For example, if your window is 42 inches inside the window frame, you would need to choose from the variation extension 28 to 48 inches. Find the small screw on the metal block of the rod. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw slightly. Do not remove it. You only need to loosen it so the spring can move freely. Adjust the rod to your window size. Pull open the track so the rod becomes 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch longer than your inside window opening. This extra length is what creates the proper tension that the rod requires. When the size is correct, tighten the screw again to lock the spring in place. Before you install the rod with the curtains, you should check the tension. To do this, place one end of the rod against one side of the window, then compress the rod slightly and fit the other end into the opposite side. Release and let the spring create tension. Once you've checked the tension, it is time to add your curtains. Remove the rod and add your cafe curtains onto it. Now, place the rod back into the window frame and check that everything sits straight and secure. Lightly pull on the rod to test stability. If it feels loose, remove it, adjust the length slightly longer, tighten the screw again, and reinstall.
Thank you for watching our video. If this tutorial helped you, click like and subscribe for more practical window treatment solutions and behind-the-scenes content from our workroom. You'll find the link to the cafe rods we used today in the description below. And if you've already installed your cafe curtains, share your photos with us on Instagram at Loganova Shades or at Aspect Window Decor. We always love seeing your beautiful spaces. See you in the next video.